So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video. I wanted some light, airy topics here on my channel. So we are talking about a new, baby text me. But I want to talk about new stuff. I want to talk about light stuff because I realized that my channel has been like very, very serious lately with serious topics, and I like to switch it up. So I'm going to talk about guest service. So if you're an associate and you work in any form of retail, or you work at a gas station or any of that, you can totally relate to what me talk about right now. These are 10 things that I hate about working retail, working as a guest service, working with customers, because you know they always say the customers are always right. That's something else I hate. So that can be number one. When your boss tell you that, when your boss tell us that, oh, the customer's always right, you always want to make your customers happy no matter what, all that. So that's number one. The customers are not always right, okay? The customers step over their boundaries a lot of the time and come cuss you out and tell you about your mother and all these things and pay attention, bitch, and all these other stuff. The customer is not always right, okay? And I beg to differ. They're not always right, nothing. So you can add that to number one as stuff that I hate as a associate, as guest service, or whatever you want to call it. Two, if you're in an environment where you deal with lottery, scratch-offs, or any of that, customers, please scratch your own scratch off, so I can scan the ticket and tell you if you win or not. Scratch off the ticket and don't hand it to me unscratched off, because all you're doing is holding up the line and wasting my time. Okay? So that's number two. If you're dealing with lottery, scratch your own lottery ticket off. Me no have time for waste. Me no want you to waste my customers' time that are standing behind you either. Okay? People come with all 10, 12 scratch off ticket and expect you to turn up the and scratch off everyone for them. And what I take you for? That's number two. So if you work at like a gas station and they have like pumps and stuff, when you come in to get your gas, to prepay for your gas, please, I'm begging, know what pump you're on. Don't come in talking about, oh, I have the blue Honda, the Honda Civic, the 2004. It's right over there. What pump it? Me don't know what pump that day. Don't ask me. Okay, how me fi know? I'm gonna drive a car. Okay, I'm gonna put a car with the pump there. I'm in here checking out customers, but you expect me fi know which part you park your car, which pump. Please tell me if that not so heights of foolishness. Know your pump. Don't come in here, they look wrong. Hold on, give me a sec. Holding up the line, me have to wait for you to figure out which pump you're depend and all. You have pump 1 through 29 and you're depend the last pump, and you have to walk all the way go down there so you go look for which pump you're depend. Ma'am, sir, don't do it. Don't do it. Before you walk into that store, make sure you know what pump you're on. Thank you very much. Number three. Now this is personally one of my favorite of all. Number three. Don't get mad when you go into a store buying alcoholic beverage or tobacco products and someone IDs you. It's our job. Okay? Our job for ID you. Okay? Nobody now lose them walk over you. Know that. Okay, me not care how all you look. If you're coming there 5 billion times a day, you are gonna get ID'd. Me not pay no fine. Me not get charged for nothing, and I'm not getting fired because of your ass. So if you're who want mad, who want boss, when me ask them for them ID. So that's one of my favorite, and that's number 4. Number 5. Number 5 is another one. They come into the store, they shop around, and them have them all trolley and a basket and everything full of products. I was like, yes, the store makes some money, man, and we're selling stuff, and yes, our sales is gonna go up, and me glad cause the bonuses is gonna be good this month and all these things. You turn up in the line. You stand in the line and then wait until you get to the counter to search up in your whole big level bag, your big ginormous Michael Kors couch bag if you find your purse. And you know when woman carry purse, it deep like well, and it have about 5 billion pieces of makeup and this and keys and book, pencil sharpener, soap, tissue, everything where you can think of in a them big level bag. And them wait until them come to the register to dig in a them bag and search through the whole planet in a them bag for look for them money for pay. So at any point in time, did you think or did you not think you're going to have to pay for all these items here? You stood up in a line for about 5 minutes to get cashed out. And when you stood up in the line, you didn't have no inclination that you need to look in at your bigger level purse for your money or your card. That never click. It never click. Okay then. Yeah, and that's number 5. Number 6. This is one of my personal favorites. Okay. Come into the store. I'm like, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Then come in and said so. Gone to the side, yeah, so. Gone over here, so. Go and buy whatever they want, just go so. They walk about them business. Them just sit so. Act like you're non-existent. They didn't hear you just say good morning to them. Them act like you're invisible. You're just a blank wall. Okay? When you're saying good morning. When me tell you good morning, you hear? And you take it upon yourself not to answer. Let me tell you this. When you want to know where the bathroom there, you're gonna have to wait. When you want to know where this there or that there in the store and you come to ask me, you have to wait. Okay? When somebody acknowledges you and says good morning to you, it's your duty to be respectable and say good morning back. Okay? Me no business where you want to say after that. Go on about your business, look for whatever you want, look for piss off or who talk about who piss you off and early in the morning and all that. I don't care. Alright. So that was 6. Number 7. If you spill something, say something. Okay? If you spill water, if you spill juice, if you vomit, if you spill coffee, if you spill anything in the store at any point in time, say something. The people that's in the store that can get sued because of something that somebody else spilled. Say something so somebody can put a wet floor sign up or moppy up or so. Don't just left it so. If people slip and slide all over the place, bump, lick them head, then next thing you know, so you're gonna court because water spill on the floor and somebody drop, lose them baby and all these things. Please, if you spill something, say something. You know, that hard to say, oh, hi, I just spilled some water back there. I'm so sorry. I'll mop it up if you want. Or can I get a wet floor sign to put over here until you guys can get to it? Say something. Not just left it there so. And that's number 7. Number 8. If you're older than 55 years old. Let me say this again. And there's always exception to the rule, because enough people come in the store that I work that's over 55 and they're perfectly fine. But let me tell you this. If you're over 55 years old and you don't know what your zip code or PIN, you don't need to have a card. If I have to walk you step by step through the process and tell you, sir, now you're gonna swipe the card, and when you hear the beep, it's gonna ask you for your PIN number, or if you're using credit, it's just gonna go all the way through, or it's gonna ask you for your billing zip code. And when you're finished putting that in, you're gonna click the enter button. And if me at any point have to walk you through these steps or figure out where you live so you can purchase something, you do not. I repeat, you do not need a card. Credit card or debit card. You need to bring cash and cash only. Okay? All right. I'm glad we can agree upon that. And that's number 8. Number 9. Number 9. Learn, if you work in an environment like me, and if you pump gas and all these things, learn how to pump your own gas. Okay? People don't read. Them take up the wrong pump, and them come back in the store and then get mad at you, at the guest associate or the guest service associate, because they pick up the wrong pump and now their gas isn't pumping. Hi, hello. Learn to read. This pump says diesel. This pump says something else. This pump says regular. Read. Everybody so in them phone and all these things nowadays, they forgot to read. Okay, if you put diesel gas in your car and fuck you up, oh, no, don't come blaming me. Don't come blaming me. No have nothing to do with that. Okay? Okay, it's called reading. Okay? Read. Thank you very much. If me have to come out, they come pump your own gas, something is very wrong with that. Okay? Very, very wrong. And that's number 9. Number 10 is another one of my favorites. Don't flirt. Don't flirt or hit on associates, especially the female ones. Because 9 times out of 10, the associate think that you're a total creep, or you're just hitting on them because you want something from them, or you want something free in the store, or your thing say if you're coming there you'll get something for free, or you're gonna get a coupon. Don't hit or flirt with associates, okay? You're not getting nothing for free in the store. They ain't free nowhere, and you ain't getting free in this store either if you flirt with me. So it's not gonna change the fact that you have to pull out your cash or pull out your card, okay, and hand me your cash or your card or your whatever you're paying with. So flirting or hitting on me won't change shit, okay? So don't do it. Do not do it, because it's creepy as hell, and most of the time we're pissed the hell off because we have to deal with disrespectful people, and now you're coming hitting on me or hitting on us. We don't want to hear it. Go on about your business. All we want is your money, okay? All we want is your money. Pay for the things that you bought in our store and go on about your business, okay? Go on. So, if you worked in like a guest service, any guest service or retail or anything like that, you understand what I'm talking about. You get it. You see the pain. You see the frustration where we got through as associate. So in the comment section, comment and tell me if you ever worked in retail or worked as a salesperson or associate or anything. Comment what are your pet peeves in the comment section below and tell me. Those 10 are my 10 pet peeves. And shout out to all my coworkers that helped me to make this list up. You're all the real MVPs and I love y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.